Okay, we're back again. We have taken the whole front assembly off, just so you know. So you see what we have taken off here, or I have. I don't think you guys did anything. I got the top piece there, filler between the fender, the bumper filler, and the whole grill with the radiator support and the wiring. I'm not throwing nothing away until I know I can replace it, which I know for a Chevelle you can buy everything, but I'm keeping everything anyway. Okay, you got a bolt here, right there. You got another one hiding up here in the corner. And you got three of them right there. All the little metal cages broke off, so I had to get up there with a wrench to hold them on. This side did a little bit better. Go like a J-bolt type of thing, and they snapped on the other side. This side did better, so, but that's fine. You can replace those. Although these look different. The other side was square. These may have been replaced. I don't know. This fender's partially loose too. Somebody started taking it apart, obviously because it's damaged, and I did get another fender with it. So next thing is I'm going to take everything off this fender that doesn't belong on it anymore. So it can, because it's going to get scrapped eventually. Although I am going to keep it in case I end up with a really nice fender that maybe just needs a little patch panel from the front. You never know. I like to try to find original. So if anybody out there has a fender for a 68 Chevelle that's clean, I've got another fender for this. It's got a rod hole in the bottom. So, I mean, I already got one of those. And I prefer not to go to reproduction. So I would like to try to use original. This fender's repairable. I just need a bottom piece for it. But same thing, if you got a really nice fender laying around with no damage, no previous repairs for a 68. I don't know if 69 is the same or not. I think the badge is different. So, but of course, that could probably be fixed. Anyway, that's where we are now. That's how far we are. I don't know what else I'm going to do today. I've got some other things to do, so anyway, we'll see you later. Thank you.